Welcome back guys, welcome to another episode of KW Tech official YouTube channel. And in this video we are going to show you guys how you can fetch your Windows 10 boot time, and it is really simple and a quick tutorial. So let's get started. First of all, just right click on the start menu and go to run, and then type msconfig and click on OK. And after that you will see this window will appear in front of you. Now you need to click on boot option, and after that click on advanced options, and here you have to check the number of processor and check it to the maximum. Similarly, check the maximum memory, and after that click on OK. And after that you don't need to change anything from here. If you want, then it's up to you. And after that click on apply and then OK. And after that now you will see a significant improve in your Windows 10 boot time. So I hope that this video will be helpful for you. If you find it helpful, do subscribe our channel KW Tech Official. Inshallah we will meet you again in the next video. Take care and have a nice day.